Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you complete guide of using threads from Instagram. So if you want to know the guide of using threads, just keep on watching, okay? So threads from Instagram is a messaging app developed by Facebook. So it focuses on private and intimate conversations between close friends or smaller groups, okay? So first of all, what you need to do is to download and install. So search for Threads from Instagram in your device's App Store, download and install the app. So open App Store or Play Store, search for Threads, and install the application. Okay? So once you've done that, what you need to do is to connect your Instagram account with Threads, okay? Because if you don't know that when you want to use Threads, you need to connect your Instagram account. And if you don't have an Instagram account, you will need to create one, okay? So now let's talk about privacy settings. So Threads is designed to share your status and location with your close friends. So you can choose to enable or disable these features during the setup process. You can also modify these settings later in the app settings menu. Okay? So if you're using your iPhone, what you can do is to click or go to settings. Now scroll down until you see threads. And if you want to turn off the location, you should see the location right here. Okay. Or you can just go ahead and go back to threads and manage your privacy right here. Okay. So now let's talk about contacts and close friends. So Threads uses your Instagram close friends list to determine whom you want to connect with. So it automatically syncs with your close friends list, so make sure you have added the right people to that list on Instagram. Okay? So now camera and stories. So Threads opens directly into the camera mode. You can take photos or videos and add various effects, filters, stickers, and text to them. So the app also allows you to post your Instagram stories directly from Threads. Okay? So now for status, Threads emphasizes sharing your status with close friends. You can choose from suggested statuses like studying or cooking, or create your own custom status. Your close friends will be able to see your status and easily start a conversation based on it. Send messages. So swipe right from the camera screen to access your messages. So Threads categorizes your conversations into two sections. So we have close friends and messages. So the close friends section displays your active and recent conversations and with close friends, while the messages section shows all other messages. Okay? So now for the next one, we have the auto status. So Threads can automatically update your status based on your location. So if you enable this feature, the app will show your close friends when you're at home or on the move. You can customize which locations are shared and manually update your status if needed. Now for notifications, you can customize your notifications within the app settings. Threads offers options to enable or disable notifications for messages, reminders, and status updates. You can also choose whether you want to receive notifications from all close friends or just a select few. For the last guide, we have the privacy and blocking. So if you want to adjust your privacy settings or block someone, go to the settings menu within the app right here. Now from there, you can manage your close friends list, control who sees your status, and block or report users if needed. Okay, so you can just go ahead and change the settings of your notifications right here for the privacy. Okay, so here the black profile, hide likes, just like that. And here if you want to make your profile private, here for the account, you have take a break, deactivate profile, personal information, supervision, security, language, account status, download your information, and transfer your information. Now here we have the help center or the help section and about the application. Okay, so now here if you want to log out your account. So remember to review and familiarize yourself with the app's privacy policy and terms of service to understand how your data is handled and shared. So that is the complete guide to use Threads from Instagram. So enjoy connecting with your close friends and sharing intimate moments through this messaging app. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.